Hello folks, today I've been asked to come out here to find out why is this concrete staining so bad. You see it right up here? See how it's all staining? What's happening here? And so what we discovered here is what's happening. You can kind of see the line going across, and you see it right up here where it's cracking. And what I have is water's been getting down inside of here, and then I got my steel rebar that's running across to here, and I got that steel rebar running too close to the edge of my concrete, and that is actually the staining is rusting, is leaching out through the concrete, and this is what's causing this discoloration. What's going to happen is this is actually going to crack all the way off, and it's going to be, as you can already see, it starting to crack right there. And it's going to totally come out of here and leave all that steel rebar exposed. When rebar gets rusted, it expands. And when it expands, naturally, it blows the concrete out. Anyway, folks, I hope this has been beneficial. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. And if you like our videos, hit like and subscribe and share them with your friends. That way they can actually know what you're learning, and you can be a help to them. Thanks, folks. Appreciate it. God bless you.